and the magic starts inside the right side cover. Here you'll see the slipper clutch in action. I'll run the bike up to say 100 kilometres an hour in top gear. Then I'll drop back to about 4th gear, run it along for a few metres, then I'll accelerate back up to 100 kilometres an hour, and I'll sit there for a while and just cruise along at that speed. I was only introduced to the slipper clutch on a Kawasaki last year when I bought a version X300, and the Kawasaki dealer told me that it was his best experience as far as riding goes that I'd had, and I wasn't disappointed. It was a really good experience to use the slipper clutch. It was the best experience ever. Now you will see me come down from 100 kilometres an hour to a stop, so from 6th gear to first, and I think I'll come into first at probably 25 k's an hour, so it gives you an idea how quick I come down. All there? Not bad. We'd class that as an inland ship of central New South Wales. Really hard to get around here. And you come down to a slow stop, and we go to a stop, and we go to take off. Look at that. And you've got instant delivery of power, and it's ready to deliver. Look at that, you can't complain about that. It's virtually geared to go. The quick burst to 100 k's. Slow one. Oh yeah, look at it pick up. It's really got some nip behind it, and I'm only just playing with it. Really good. Can't complain about this. You can see coming down through those gears. 4, 3, 2. Look at that. No jerking, no nothing, just goes down through it. Gee, just that slipper clutch is worth it. Yeah. There's no denying Enfield's done a really nice job putting this together.